like me, I'm beauty queen here in the Philippines. I'm Miss Kalag-Kalag 2024. Look at my crown. Yeah.
Very nice.
I follow you, you follow back me, then later you tira-tira at my back. I'm virgin.
Yeah, this.
Nice. Sumulok ko.
What do you do? What do you do for a living? You work? You work in highway?
Working. Heavy. Heavy weight.
Okay. What's that? Parang bomba yan. Tangina na yan. Ano yan? Machine.
Heavy.
You operate. Plastic. Yeah, I know that.